friend. Rolling, action.
Okay, so we have a deep bruise. You can see the yellow discoloration as well as the deep purple. There's swelling going on in here, whether it's from a sprain or strain or blunt force trauma. Ice is unnatural to the body. Putting ice pack on this is going to cause more pain for the patient. And typically we don't get deep enough with the ice or the cold to really vasoconstrict. So I've got my arnica oil. Arnica is a homeopathic anti-inflammatory. Helps break up bruising and swelling 5 times quicker than the body naturally is going to do it. This is 45% arnica, and I'm just going to go ahead and massage this in. You'll see it starts to get warm to the touch. Now I can just do this, or I can combine that with the instant ice wrap. That would be the preferred, is to put the instant ice wrap on at this point in time. So the wrap's 11 feet long. Just cut off however much you need. We always want to start wrapping distal or at the bottom of the injury and push any extra blood up towards the heart instead of starting wrapping this way and pushing the blood to the hand, and then it has nowhere to escape. So this gives me my compression as well as my cooling this way. I don't want to overlap it too much. Just pull out your scissors that are in every one of our kits and cut your wrap, and then you can just tuck it in. This wrap's reusable just by putting it back in the Mylar package and adding a little bit of water. So I can probably wrap this wrist half a dozen times out of one wrap and then use each piece a good 3 to 4 times. I don't have to take this off like I would ice. I can just leave it on in place. It's working by evaporating cooling instead of forcing cold into that sprain or strain or contusion. Okay.